Hey guys, welcome back to the 3D print channel. We're going to review a new 3D print. This is called the star fidget, and this is the most coolest fidget we have in our house. There's some super fun things you can do with this. You can twist it and pull it up. You can pull it up, and you can just twist it and then just carefully pull it up. You can move it any direction. You can move it up and down, side to side. And if you have a 3D printer, you better 3D print this at home. Bye. Thanks for watching.